Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aries. We'll be picking cards for your daily energy, your career situation, and your love energy, guys. This is for your daily energy, Aries. This is for your career situation, and this is for your love energy. And I'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle. So this is a general guidance, guys. So it may answer any deep thoughts or questions you have in your mind. So for your daily energies, Aries, it's Four of Wands in reverse. So though this card is in reverse, guys, um, the meaning does not change. So it just means that things are going in a very positive way here for you all. A celebration, some success, initial success you are experiencing. Maybe you are signing some important deals or projects in your work or in a relationship. You are tasting that sweetness of this relationship, guys, for some of you all. So maybe that clear understanding and that compatibility is there in this relationship. So you, for the first time, you are experiencing that deep connection with this person. That may be the energy. So it's a time for celebration. You feel that harmony and balance in your life. Peace is ruling your heart. That is what I feel here with this card, Aries. What is the card for your career situation? Page of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card here, guys, maybe for some of you all, it may be, you may be spending time on some shopping, maybe some luxurious products for yourself, something expensive maybe, or some gifts you may be planning to gift somebody, or it may be in your work, maybe some expensive things. Maybe you are refurnishing your office, something you are spending on some expensive goods, maybe for your work situation, guys, for your work maybe, or your business. That is what I see here. And what is the card for your relationship? Queen of Wands. So with this card here, I feel that this person you are in relationship with, they have that devotion towards you, and this connection, they have that dedication, they have love, and you both share that clear understanding, and they are a cheerful, confident in this relationship, in this connection with you, and you feel they can handle any situation. So you have that clear understanding through tough times and through happy times. So you have that great compatibility with this person, guys. Maybe this connection may be a destined connection, guys. That is the reason this person is there with you right now. So let us see what is the card for your guidance. So this card will answer any questions you have about your life, guys, some situation. So you need to think of that question, and we will turn the card now, Aries. These cards must be read straight, guys. Beyond the threshold of fear. So this oracle cards guidance, guys, Aries, for y'all. Maybe you have broken through a barrier, some self-created limitation, something which you were afraid of, and you are taking a new path in your life, guys, taking the first steps. So you are having that uncertainty. You do not know whether you're going on the right way. So you need to understand that things are going just as they need to go, guys. So you can give up that fear, that you may not reach the right path. So you have to go with whatever life is unfolding you with today, guys. See things clearly without fear clouding your vision. When you do that, you will just fly and move towards your goals in a very faster pace. So what fears that you have overcome, maybe some stressful situations, whatever changes that you have made, some drastic changes you would have made for yourself in your life, guys. So that may be because of that divine guidance. So you need to have trust in your actions, guys. That is what this card is about. So you don't have to feel afraid or that uncertainty. You don't have to feel that. You just have to believe in yourself. That is what this card is about, and that is the reading for your ladies. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.